Hi, I'm Marcus with the City of Killeen. You may have heard some rumblings, but we're excited to officially announce our Parks Master Plan.
Master Plan!
The city has 24 parks, and $4.6 million is going into this Parks Master Plan.
Master Plan!
The funding comes from the American Rescue Plan Act, or ARPA, and the money is designated to improve, renovate, and beautify parks located in the lower income neighborhoods. Take a tour with us and to see the great projects in the works. We begin at Conner Park, which is getting the most funding, $1.9 million. Improvements include overlay and striping of the parking lot, new drinking fountains, benches, fencing, field lights, a new restroom, skate park renovations, sports field lights, a new multi-purpose field, new walking trail and expansion, solar parking lot lights, solar trail lights, resurfacing the basketball court, and planting trees. Whew! Many of you are familiar with Long Branch Park's pool and spray pad. We'll have even more reasons for you to come visit as part of the city's Parks Master Plan.
Master Plan!
Long Branch Park is getting a $500,000 facelift, and the pool is getting a $590,000 in renovations. This includes a new restroom, refurbished pavilion, sidewalks, solar lights, shade, and new water features at the splash pad, drinking fountains, and an upgraded pool house.
Spray pad!
Who knew fun in the water could get any better? Our next Parks Master Plan location
Master Plan!
is Stewart Park in the north part of town. It's due to get an entirely new playground and canopy, picnic tables, multi-purpose field, walking trail, field renovation, and drinking fountains. That's $600,000 in upgrades. Our final stop is Phyllis Park. Look out as this is transformed with a resurfaced basketball court and new goals, a multi-purpose field renovation, new drinking fountains, and we're adding a shade canopy. It took several community and group meetings with citizens and local organizations, chats with our Youth Advisory Commission, focus groups, surveys, and volunteers to pull this off. As we speak, many of these improvements we mentioned are already been completed or started. You can follow all of these updates as they happen on KilleenTexas.gov/park improvements. There, you will also find information about $1 million in improvements awarded in separate grants in 2020, where you can view and follow all of the upgrades at 2 other park facilities, as well as $5.8 million for a new senior center and $425,000 in capital improvement plan parks projects for canopy covers and trail lights. So that's it in a nutshell. Pardon our progress as we invest more than $4 million in family gathering places that are safe and fun, and cool too. It's all part of the City of Killeen's great big
Come on, say it with me!
Master Plan!